Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to build a redis cluster through Sentinel. I have already copied the redis star on the server. I'll be using the single node. You may use 3 different nodes for this. Let's extract the tar. Excuse me. We'll rename it as redis 1. So we have now 3 instances of redis. Let's do make. So all the 3 nodes are compiled. We cannot run redis on the same port, so we'll have to change the port of redis on the other 2 nodes. We'll keep redis 1 as master and redis 2 and redis 3 as slave. We'll validate the change. We'll validate the configuration of redis 1. The bind port is 127.0.0.1. You can change it accordingly, and the bind port is 6379. So I'll leave this as to be default for our master node. We'll validate the sentinel conf as well. Bind 127.0.1. Port will be 2379. Directory will be temp. So here our cluster name will be my master. You can change it accordingly if you want to. The argument 2 here denotes that how many sentinel nodes are required for the vote. timeout, we will change it to 10 seconds, and this is the failover timeout. Again we will change it to 10 seconds. Now we'll go to the slave nodes. We'll change the port. And we'll enable this configuration, slave off, master IP is 127.0.1, port is 6379. Right. We'll save this and sentinel.conf. We'll change this port to 80. Sentinel monitor my master. Our master is running on port 6379, so we don't need to do any changes over here. We'll change the timeouts. Save and exit. Now we'll do the same for the third node. Rest everything else should be the same except for these parameters. Okay. Now we will start the master. Apart from few warnings, I don't see any error in this. Let's start Sentinel. Okay. So our Redis server is running on these two ports and the ports are up. Now we'll go to the slave node. So you can see master slave sync finished with success. Now we will start Sentinel. Right, Sentinel also connected. Now we'll go to the third node. Success. Now we'll start Sentinel. So 6379, 6380, 6381, 26381, 26380, 26379, all the 6 ports are up. That means our Redis server is up and running with cluster mode. Now we will check if our cluster is working or not. If our one of the master nodes goes down, the Sentinel switches somebody else to master or not. So what we will do is we'll connect to the Redis. We'll check info application. So this is role master connected to slave nodes. Alright, so what we will do is we will shut this Redis node down. So you can see it is showing error, condition on socket fuzzing, connection refuse. So now we will connect to Redis. Oh, sorry. Now we can see this is slave. Our master host is now 6381. That means our Redis 3 is master now. So friends, this is how you can create a Redis server with Sentinel in hardware HA mode. Let me know if you face any issues with this. And thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos.